I'm Elon Musk, and people often say I take crazy risks, but that's not really how it works. And most people hear the word risk, they immediately think about losing something, money, time, stability. So their first instinct is to avoid it. But I don't start there. I start with a different question. I ask myself, do I actually understand the situation? Because if you don't understand something, everything feels risky. Even small decisions feel big. So instead of jumping in or running away, I take time to break it down. What exactly needs to happen here? What are the key variables? Where can things go wrong? And once you start answering those questions, the situation changes. It becomes clearer, more predictable. Now, from the outside, it might still look like a big risk, but internally, it doesn't feel that way anymore because you're not guessing. You're working with what you understand. Here's where most people struggle. They wait until they feel completely certain. But complete certainty doesn't exist. So they keep delaying, they keep thinking, and eventually they do nothing. What I try to do instead is move forward when I have enough clarity. Not perfect clarity, just enough to make a rational decision. And once I decide, I commit fully. I don't stay in the middle because partial commitment creates confusion. You're not fully focused, but you're still exposed to the downside. That's actually worse than taking a clear risk. So the goal is not to avoid risk. The goal is to understand it as deeply as possible. Because once you truly understand something, it stops feeling like a gamble. It becomes a calculated move. People think I take big risks, but in reality, I just try not to act without understanding.